Looking for a healthy, delicious breakfast your kids can help make for Mother's Day? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we spend sweet time together in the kitchen creating healthy and delicious recipes. Today we're going to be making a sugar, egg, and dairy-free lemon curd. Begin by adding 1 can of full-fat coconut milk to a small pan. To that, let's add 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm using some Mayer lemons, which are just a little bit sweeter. They're a mix between lemon and mandarin oranges. And lemon juice is really high in vitamin C. It's great for detoxification and to aid digestion. So if ever you're feeling a little bit bloated or crampy, fresh lemon juice is a really great remedy to help with that. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, which is about 1 lemon. And the lemon zest has all of those wonderful health benefits that you'll find in the lemon juice. 1/4 cup of powdered LAKANTO, which is a really great low glycemic sweetener, but you're always welcome to use your preferred sweetener. LAKANTO is a mix between erythritol and monk fruit extract. 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, which I'm using to thicken up our curd instead of cornstarch. And tapioca flour is made out of cassava roots, so it's really rich in fiber and great for your digestion. It's also gluten-free. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to add a really lovely yellow color to our curd. And as a bonus, it's really great in reducing inflammation in the body. 1/8 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Last, for flavor, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk together all of your ingredients over low heat until the mixture thickens and starts to stick to the back of your spoon. Once your curd is thickened, remove it from the heat, and then this is optional. I'm going to add in 1 drop of our orange essential oil, or you could add in 1 drop of the lemon essential oil. This will give it a little boost of vitamin C and just a little bit of flavor. Whisk that in. Pour your curd into a glass jar and let it cool for about 1 hour. You can use your curd right away, or if you want a little bit of a thicker consistency, I would recommend putting it into the refrigerator and letting it set overnight. So if you're doing this for Mother's Day, it's a really great recipe to make the day before, because then in the morning it's ready to go and it's really easy. Okay, my lemon curd has thickened up beautifully in the refrigerator. Let's give it a try. You can serve this a lot of different ways. I just added some fresh strawberries and blueberries, but you can put your favorite fruit or nuts, seeds, cacao nibs, shredded coconut, put it on your favorite waffle or pancakes, or just eat it straight out of the jar. Let's give it a taste. It's got a beautiful, bright, lemony flavor, nice and tart. It's not super sweet. This is so versatile. You could come up with so many ways to serve this. I think it's a great idea for Mother's Day. It's super quick if you do it the night before, and then it's nice and fresh and delicious. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for being with me today. I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen for another healthy and delicious recipe. And happy Mother's Day to all of the moms out there. Bye.